Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about a brand new release of UiPath Forms. So have you tried the latest version of UiPath Forms? If you haven't tried this yet, then definitely you should watch this video till the end, because I'm going to tell you all the latest updates that's happening with UiPath Forms. And not just that, I will drive you through one demo which will help you understand and see what are the new activities that UiPath Forms has. And so, in order to utilize the previous workflows which are already developed in latest version of Studio, which is 23.4.3, user have to recreate the whole workflows by using the latest UiPath form activities. So, which is a major change that will happen to the projects, right? But this new form experience has many more improved capabilities. For example, it allows us to do trigger-based attended automation, which is the greatest implementation for the UiPath forms right now. And the data binding, which is a crucial part of forms, has become way lot easy with the activities. And not just that, it allows to build complex forms, and now we can even build forms using custom HTML. There is scope to trigger events based on the form events, like if the component is changed, or if the focus has been lost, something like that. Based on that also we can trigger that particular form, so which is very awesome, right? There's one more wonderful feature that's there with this latest version of forms. We can, even though when the form is still showing, that is during the runtime, we can still edit, and we can retrieve the values from the form, and we can edit some properties using the layouts and all. And now whenever we are trying to build some form, when we open the designer panel, it used to open in a different panel earlier, right? But now it's there inside the studio itself. So that has that when I was working in that, I felt it very easy, because it doesn't take a lot of time to load first thing, and it loaded very instantly, and I don't have to open the form every time, because there are a lot of things that we work on the form, right? So it is in the same studio page. So I, as in when how we will switch between the XAMLs, it's the same way. So it was very easy for me to whenever I need a data or a field key from a form, I can get it very easily. So that way it made my experience with the forms very easy, very convenient, and also I didn't feel like opening things a lot many times, and also it didn't consume a lot of time. So I felt it is very good improvement as per me. And also apart from that, the new activities were so different and so good. We have a lot of activities introduced into the form now. So there are I can say two different categories of activities, because one is form activities, and also, as I mentioned, we have trigger based attended automation. We have triggers also. So these triggers basically will trigger the forms based on some events that are happening inside the form. So let's say when you select certain activity, if that particular value is changed, so that will trigger certain workflow. So it is very good actually. It's I think most of you might have already got excited to explore and to understand what's this new UiPath forms looks like, right? So there are a few activities like show form, close form, and get values from the form, and that is used to retrieve the values from the form, and set values, that is used to set the values, that means to provide the values to the form. And also we have some activities to provide the custom JavaScript that run the JavaScript inside the form. So there are so good activities, were so good, and there are a lot of use cases that we can apply on these UiPath forms, which is, I felt, as per me, I know it's a major change, but still I feel it's worth. I don't want to disappoint you without showing up a demo. So here is one small demo. Just go and check it out, and we will talk back about once after you watch the demo and come back here.
So yes, in this demo, what I'm going to showcase is, this is basically a form that, it will have different things. Let me just run this workflow, and I'll show you what this form is actually having and what are the different triggers that it has. So if you see here, it says study participation consent. Okay, so basically we are having two different options. Okay, so do you want to participate? So let's say if the user say yes, form's gonna react in different way. For no, it's gonna react in different way. So there are basically the combinations. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll just explain you the scenario first here. After that, I will select that things, and we will see the output. Okay, so for participation, Okay, so ignore the spelling mistakes. So for participation, let's say if he say no, what bot is going to do? Obviously, it's gonna close, right? If he's not interested in participation, the bot is closing. If he say yes, the next question would be if the person is above 18 or not. Let's say if the person is not above 18, so yes and no, then they are not eligible for participation. But if the person is interested and they are above 18, then we are going to submit the form. So these are the three different scenarios, probabilities that we have. So let's go and check it out how the form is reacting as per the expected scenarios. Okay. So do you want to participate? I'll say no. So form has closed. And next time we'll run. And now I'm asking if the person is interested, yes, but is not eligible, okay, is below 18. So unfortunately we cannot accept participants that are under 18. So let's say that is closed, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to run the file again. And if you see here, now I'm going to give yes and I'm above 18. So as they are saying, awesome, please fill the rest of the form to enroll in the study. So I'm gonna fill my full name and my age and then city. So here, as I told you, this new forms capability has the ability to edit the form as when it is running, right? So how can I say that is, so here if you see, I will be filling city and the district will be automatically filled by the form. Okay, so I will not fill that district. So let's say I'm from Los Angeles. So if you see, the district has been filled by the form itself. So and after that I'm going to submit the form. The form will be closed. So these are the different ways that the form has actually different scenarios that the form has passed through, and it is working perfectly fine. So this is one small demo that we have seen using the latest version, which is 23.4.3 version of UiPath form activities. Okay, and in that we have multiple things which I will take you through detailedly step by step tutorial in the next video. So to not miss that, I would ask you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And also, if you like this video, please like the videos and also share across your friends who is learning and are interested in learning UiPath form.
I hope you guys enjoyed the demo, seeing all the different capabilities and the new activities and the triggers that UiPath Forms latest version, which is 23.4.3 version, that has got for us. So in this demo, in this video, I can only show you the demo, but in the next video, I'm going to show you how we can recreate this whole workflow. I'll tell you step by step of this whole video how I have developed, and also I will tell you, I will navigate you to the site where you can download this whole project and you can play around this particular thing. I'll show you in the next video, and there are lots and lots of demos that we are going to show. I'm going to show you, and we are going to learn together. And I believe you will definitely enjoy this new version of UiPath Forms. If you like this video, please do let me know in the comments, and also do subscribe to my channel and also like the videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.